Namaste. In this video, we are going to evaluate this question here given integration cos log x dx. So I is equal to integration cos log x dx. Here let this log x is any variable t, and here base is e. Okay, so x is equal to e to the power t, and when we differentiate we get dx is equal to e to the power t dt. So I is equal to integration cos, and log x we can write t, and what is dx? Dx is e to the power t dt. So x function converted into t function. Now we use here integration by parts formula. So here integration uv dx is equal to u is first function. You write as it is v dx minus integration d upon dx. So first differentiate u and integrate v, and this integrate whole thing. So here let the cos t is first function u, and e to the power t we can choose this second function v. So I is equal to, here you write as it is, it means cos t integrate e to the power t dt minus integrate, first differentiate with respect to t cos t, and integrate e to the power t dt dt. So cos t e to the power t minus, here integration, and this is minus sin t, and when we integrate e to the power t we get e to the power t dt. Cos t e to the power t, here multiply, okay, minus, and this minus minus plus integration sin t e to the power t dt. Again we apply here this integration by parts formula. So here sin t is first function u, and e to the power t is second function v. We apply here. So cos t e to the power t plus here sin t integration e to the power t dt minus, here differentiate sin t integrate e to the power t dt dt. So cos t e to the power t plus sin t, and when we integrate this e to the power t we get e to the power t minus integration, and when we differentiate this we get cos t, and when we integrate this e to the power t we get e to the power t dt. Actually this is I, yeah, this function I, and I was cos t e to the power t dt. So this is exactly cos t e to the power t dt. So I is equal to cos t e to the power t plus sine t e to the power t minus this value is I. Both side add I, so we get 2I is equal to cos t. Can we take common e to the power t? Yes, cos t plus sin t. And both side divided by 2. So 2 e to the power, simultaneously we can put t value also. What is t value? T value was log x. Here base e. So log x cos log x, and this is sine log x. Okay. And here base e and this is e, so e log x base e, we get x, or we can write like this x upon 2. So here cos log x plus sine log x, and this is our final answer. Okay. So very simple question. Here we used this uh, integration by parts formula 2 times. So very simple question, but if you have any doubt, any queries, please ask me. If you liked my video, so please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Have a great day.